Okay, Mr. Chairman, distinguished guests, the parents invited here, all students, all protocol duly observed. Okay, so like I said before, my name is Mubarak Mohammed Ali. I'm a medical doctor at Greater Accra Regional Hospital, RIDGE. Okay, and then I'm here on the invitation of Prof. and then Dr. Nasiba to just share some few words of encouragement with you. Oh, okay. So, like MC said, he said he wanted a little bit of background as to how I got here. I would have loved to speak Hausa, but my Hausa is not very good. Okay, so, all right, okay, sir. Now I Hausa de, I got for me, now you any mistakes there. So, okay, so now far school, daga Madina no ni kumanatashi. Nati primary school duka daga Madina, nati SS, kuma daga Laboni Senior High School. Yeah. So from where nati University of Cape Coast for a BSc. From where kuma nazo to University of Ghana Medical School, natuna medical school in na carry wearing sanana fara aiki. For a year, she na Branga Half Regional Hospital, daga Sunyani. And then second year in Ghana, Greater Accra Regional Hospital. So we're in Ike. And the journey was not smooth. Everything in the coming the keke soon. The keke gani kama it's important. Kuina the muhimanchi. Samunshi is not on a silver platter. Kageji kadang. In Canada, elimin nama. Waking up the Safi, Kate school, Kazo, Kazama, exams, Abubuama, by easy bunny. It's the main thing motivation can motivate Kenka. Can parenting ka motivating ka. Yanzumun samu iyaye munda kamani iyaye na sun yi yanda za su yi an biya school fees an baka kudi abinci an yi yanda ke kuma ka te ka samu naka. Kagani, amma it also depends on you. She na the classmates in the ana yi musu komi amma me shi bai so yi ma kanshi yasa yau bai kai wurin da na kai ba. Akwai wani kuma ya kai ya fi ni duka ya fito daga mu ne mu try komin da parenting mu za su yi ya fi mu kuma mu try namu abin da muke so ina son yi haka ina son yi haka kai ka bari kowane abokinka ko wani big sister ko brother ka ya ce kama ke ka tama ka yi kowa bai yi ba na ke ne kake so cikin family ka zama first person ko wani abu saboda shi ake the first person ba kaman kowa zai yi kamin a yi ba. In other places an fara ka gani most of the time cikin class mu you will see grandfather me she ni na da wani classmate grandfather she is a doctor, parents she doctors ni kamin she there are some ma come over 5 generations amma ni chicken family na I'm the first doctor. It takes effort the one and the ba career bani amma it is doable ban da kai biyu. Yeah, and from what I have seen yanda ya karanta Qur'ani it is doable mu duka mun ya mu yi. We just have to muzama muche kama munyi. And the end the prophet said she did magana de yara ni de na magana de parenting because even though the motivation is from the kids themselves kuma parents na have a role to play. But kaman chinchina ke kuma kinte school ba ko ka te school ba before kaya ka motivate yaro. And the prophet said Eman she taba zuwa school ba amma she was able to say certain things to him. In the year yesan kama akwai hope cikina. Cikin magana mu da yara mu kare mu yi magana su feel kaman su they are useless. Ka gani sometimes a mother is talking to yaron shi fedi mai wani magana kaman yaro na he can never achieve anything. Amma shi yaro ne definitely he will go wrong. Definitely he won't do as ke kana so. Because just look at yaro kama 8 years. The K in Makoba about 40 years. Experience is different. life experiences in the kika kwashi over the years. But she is a chicken 8 years. But it's the best we can do is to encourage them, to guide them. Yeah, definitely all the time when moon fed the muswana basu jing. Ama that is not the end. We should continue encouraging them. We should continue giving them the encouragement. There are times Kazana exams, it won't go well. That is not the end of the world. Abasu encouragement. Oh, one guy beti yende kike sumba kakadamu. Next one it will be better. Sometimes makaya kakoda itamu suda abubua. Oh, one gun the kika samu maybe 70. Next time minka kasamu 80. Na abaka one gabu. All these things to try and then make them a bass one encouragement. Come on, oh, I mean the Nike Yinga parents na aduban because there are some homes. Yeah, we are at school the whole term. A cow report. Parents don't even care. It's like if that child did well one time, oh, Eman ama batadu baba baba na batadu baba. The next time, if I fail, mize faru. And then with time, before you realize, a very intelligent boy or girl, she yenzuya fara in a slack. Before you realize, he doesn't care about the kefarua. Ama if you show an interest, maybe back you understand courses in nama. Ama esani kama oh, come in the Nike yin. Parents now have, they want to know. Soon as soon to send it will go a long way to help us. It will go a very, very long way to help us. So, but it is disheartening. Kind of chicken class, over 100. Muslimina were 5. 2 is by name. Basallah. 2 is by name. It's a class of 100. You are 3 Muslims. It's disheartening. And it's not Kaman Bamu iya. Mu iya. Akwe elimina akweshi. I've been there so around the push. And then guidance. Yanda yenzunaji nanga akwe counselors, akwe wanga. Sometimes Bamu Samu wanga. But I'm sure come on with this summer class, there would be that opportunity. There are children in the Suki Grima, they want to do something. They don't have anyone they say direct into. Oh, now so when you want guy in future, be the co-one role model and they say Tembeya. He doesn't have anyone they say they Tembeya, okay. Now so Zama engineer. When the anya Zambi, yeah, when the course is on Yida Abubwa, Bashi. Alhamdulillah, with the coming of this complex, with the kind of resource persons that Kasamu, I have the belief, come on, all some of these problems or challenges untackled. And then the next time when the inshallah Munzo Nanga, Munsamu success stories in the Zifto from Nanga, inshallah. Kankanin the Zan Fedi Kega, alayhi yamuna. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.